Hello, I'm here for the design interview.
Come in. Give me your resume.
I have some design works on my phone and I need to transfer them to the computer to show you.
Yes, please.
Sorry, my transmission is a bit slow.
Use this one.
Wow, it's really amazing. What kind of cable is this?
This is for visual Type-C cable. Can not only translate video, but also video and chat.
The cable is amazing. Where can I buy it? I want to place an order immediately.
Phoossno.